chose to take the crochet boot camp because I wanted to grow my business outside of doing basic crochet. So to bring something more amazing, more versatile to all of my clients. I've learned so much. I've gravitated toward the concept, and I just love the motivation and the willingness to share and inspire and encourage others to do the same thing.
I had a chance to be in a room, in a setting with other stylists and other like-minded people. Just being one-on-one, hands-on makes a big difference.
Crochet Boot Camp!
I came to learn. I came to grow. I came to grow. I came to slay. I came to slay. The crochet way. The crochet way.
It's your birthday next week.
If you've been thinking about it, come on out.